In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best ever binary options moving average crossover trading strategy that will make you a lot of money. I'll be showing you how to set the moving average indicators up, and I'll be showing you how to trade this strategy effectively. But listen, man, before we get straight into the video, you guys are sleeping on these signals, man. Best binary option signals room in the game. Profit is made every day, 5 trades per day, 5 days a week for only $10 per month. Yes, you heard that correctly, for only $10 per month. Now, I'm sure some of you are a little skeptical right now, which you have a right to be. Therefore, I'd highly recommend joining my free Telegram channel where I post a signal every second day on there for absolutely free, as well as my daily, weekly, and monthly premium binary option signals reports. So listen, what are you guys still doing? Go to the link in the description below, join my free Telegram channel today, stick around, and maybe, just maybe, that might convince you to subscribe to the premium binary option signals room. All I'm gonna say is do not miss out on this opportunity. Let's start trading together and let's start making money together. Let's get back into the video. Now, before we get straight into setting up the moving average indicators, I'm just going to briefly touch on what the moving average indicator is and what it is used for. Now, basically, the moving average indicator is used to help smooth out price data by creating a constantly updated averaging price. So therefore, it really helps filter out the noise from random short-term price fluctuations, such as this example you see on screen right here. So what we can see in this example is short-term bearish divergence in a long-term bullish uptrend. Now, in this example here, we've got a short-term price fluctuation, but no crossover between the two moving averages, making this a non-valid entry. So now that you know the basics of the moving average indicator, what it is and what it is used for, we can go ahead and apply the moving average indicators to our chart. Now, in order for us to apply the moving average indicators to our chart, you want to go to the indicators icon right next to chart type and time frame. Now, once you've clicked on that, you will see in the third column, fourth from bottom, is the moving average indicator right over here, and you want to click on that twice. Now, we're not done yet. Before we start trading, what we need to do is change a couple of settings in the moving average indicators. So in order to change the settings in the moving average indicator, what you're going to want to do is click on the pencil in between the eye and the cross in the first moving average indicator. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to change the period to 8, and we're going to leave the moving average as SMA. Now, once you've done that, we're going to change the line color to red, and now that that's all set, you can click on save. Moving on to the next moving average indicator. Same thing, you're going to want to click on the pencil in between the eye and the cross in the second moving average indicator. Now, this one is a little different. We're going to be changing the period to 200 and the moving average to EMA. So period 200, moving average EMA. Now in styles, we're going to keep the line color green, but we're going to change the line width to 2. Now, once you've done that, you can click on save. So now that the moving average indicators are set up, we're all set and ready to trade. Listen, man, it's very important for you to note that we'll be trading on the 1 minute time frame only, trading 3-minute positions. 1 minute time frame, 3-minute positions. Now I'm going to get into a couple of examples on how to trade this strategy and how to start making money. Now, this trading strategy is so simple and easy to trade. If you guys can follow instructions, you can make a lot of money. Now, to enter a position, all that we have to wait for is the 8 SMA crossing above or below the 200 EMA. It's that simple. Like in this example, we have the 8 SMA crossing above the 200 EMA, indicating a buy entry on this candlestick over here. As you guys know, 1 minute time frame only, 3-minute positions. So had we entered a position on this candlestick over here, the position or trade would have closed on this candlestick, and that would have been beautiful profit. And here we have an example of the 8 SMA closing below the 200 EMA on this candlestick over here. As you guys know, each candlestick represents 1 minute, so had we entered a sell position on this candlestick over here, the trade would have closed on this candlestick right over here, and that would have been beautiful, beautiful profit once again. Here we have another example on the euro to US dollar. As you can see, the 8 SMA closes below the 200 EMA on this candlestick over here, so we'd be entering a sell position and the trade would have closed over here. It's another beautiful trade. It's a beautiful day, man. So that's pretty much the basics of this strategy. Now I'll be showing you 2 ways that you can trade this strategy. Now, this method is for new traders or amateurs that are less confident. So if you are a new trader or someone that is less confident, I highly recommend this method. So using this method, you want to identify the long-term trend of the market. And the way you can do this is by going to the 15-minute chart and checking whether the 8 SMA is above or below the 200 EMA. So if the 8 SMA is above the 200 EMA, you only want to take buy trades. And if the 8 SMA is below the 200 EMA, you only want to take sell trades. Now, if the market is consolidating, like in this example, you don't want to open any trades at all. So once you've identified the trend on the 15-minute time frame, you can go back to the 1-minute time frame. And by identifying the long-term trend in the market, this can really help you with your technical analysis, and it can also help you make better trading decisions. But remember, using this method requires a lot of discipline. Now, the second method is for more experienced, confident, optimistic traders, and this method involves trading both directions no matter the trend of the market. And you'll find that this method is far more riskier but provides a lot more trading opportunities. At the end of the day, whichever method you use to trade this strategy, I strongly recommend only opening 1 to 3 positions per day, because if you overtrade and you open way too many positions, you'll find that you'll end up losing a lot more money than you'll be making. So now that I've shown you guys the nitty-gritties of this trading strategy, I'm going to jump into a few live trades just to show you how good this trading strategy really is. Three out of 3, baby. That's how we do it, man. We made our profit for the day. We'll come back again tomorrow, but that's how simple it is to trade this strategy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the insight into this strategy. Go check it out. Let me know what you think. And as always, smash a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I'll see you in the next one.